cracks in threes and sevens. 117 fractures, all spelling someone else's name. Clock hands drown in flat cola, breath drags through plastic veins. Jawbone clicks with borrowed fangs. Tongue scrapes truth off rusted wire. This face isn't mine to wear. Scrape it off with broken glass. Neon saints blink from wet bricks. Bless no one, curse the whole block. My shadow pins its lips together with a bent safety pin. Radio cough, static lullabies in backwards alphabets. Fingernails split from clawing out the logo branded on my ribs. I'm the stain that eats the fabric. Trans takes better than the gasoline. They gave me blue eyes for the poster, but my pulse runs grayscale. This lightning